So I'm gonna make a crostini, the pan-roasted eggplant with some pepperoncini in there. And I'm gonna make a pesto with these frigidaire, is that what it's called?
Friggitelli.
Friggitelli. Frigidaire is a refrigerator.
Different from the pepperoncinis we have in the US, Friggitelli are smaller, thinner, milder flavored Italian peppers that are great for frying. To make the pesto for my crostini, I just give the Friggitelli a quick toss in olive oil and then puree them with basil, pine nuts, and anchovies. My crostini are really pretty simple. Creamy burrata on toast, topped with an eggplant relish, pepperoncini, and my Friggitelli pesto. Then just a touch of balsamic to help balance out the flavors.
Can we eat it now?
Yes, we can eat it. Croccante?
Bravo.
The pesto is great. It's just slightly spicy.
Anchovies and chilies and garlic to me, I love.